Welcome to a new episode of fun and exciting paper crafts. Our first activity is an umbrella for decorative purposes, and for making it you will need to make little circles of different colored papers. Stick them all around a paper umbrella stick and let's make hearts them and join them together. Now hang them and see what we have. Our next craft is going to be a pretty flower, for which we need many thin paper strips. We curl the two ends of these paper strips and stick them together. Now for making the center of the flower, we cut a thin strip of paper like so and then roll it and place it in its appropriate place. Making the stems and leaves is really easy. Now let's make a crab using a red paper circle. Fold it. Now cut its two claws. Cut out two eyes and let's join the claws and the eyes to the body. Draw the legs too and done. While we can make flowers in n number of ways using origami paper, this one is a really special one and it's one of my favorites. It is a dual-toned flower using two differently colored papers. Doesn't this flower look really special and pretty? You bet it does! While I know that many of you must be knowing how to make fish in different ways using origami paper, but trust me, nothing like this. This one is really unique and you will see why. Now wasn't I right? You tell me. It's made in all paper strips. Next, I'm going to show you how to make juicy grapes, all made out of paper cutouts. Now let's arrange this little tiny paper cones just like we have in a real grape bunch. So nice! Here is a perfect present for birthdays or anniversaries or to surprise just about anyone who loves flowers. And when you can't go to the market to buy fresh flowers, these make the perfect present. In few simple cuts and few simple folds, you will be ready with beautiful flowers having many layers of petals. Now I will show you how to make a caterpillar. But this is not just any other caterpillar. This is really unique in the ways you will see. It uses a simple trick, and using this trick, you can move your caterpillar just like a puppet. So color all its feet and it's ready to move. A fun toy to scare anyone. Time to move on to our next activity. Wondering what are these marks for? Let's cut them out. Now let's cut some more. Be very careful with your precision. Now this is an important aspect of this activity and you can decorate the clips as you like. Bye bye.